they stay young. It's so hard to get old without a cause. I don't want to perish like.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hep hep, hooray! Hep hep, hooray! Surprise, ma! Kasama pala kami sa surprise party mo. O, paano ba yan? Kaya lang, di yata kami makakakain ng handa. Pabalot na lang, ma. Padala mo dito. Ma, tingnan mo, may alaga akong pusa. Buhay pa yan. Ma, happy birthday. Wish lang namin sa birthday mo, maintain mo yung good health mo, and always take care of yourself. At saka palagi kang magpapaganda. Alam mo naman tayo, kahit nagkakaedad na, bagets pa rin. We love you, ma. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mamila. Hello po. Sana po magustuhan niyo po yung surprise namin para sa inyo. We may not be there personally, pero I know na we feel niyo po yung presence namin. Thank you sa technology. Ayan. Mamila, ang wish ko lang po talaga, gumaling na po yung hika nyo. Huwag na po sana madalas yung pag-atake ng hika para po ma-enjoy nyo po yung environment. Sana po makalabas-labas na kayo, hindi yung palagi na po kayo sa kwarto. Alam nyo, Mamila, may TFC po kami dito, kaya pag po nanonood ako ng channel ko, palagi pong naaalala yung mga paboritong palabas natin. Ayun, ma, thank you po. Appreciate everything. Nandyan po kami sa Gustos. Namimiss ko na nga po yung mga luto nyo, yung mga bulanglang, yung ganon. Pabalot na lang po man yung mga handa dyan. I know, big celebration. Happy birthday! Ang wish ko lang po talaga good health and more blessings from God.
Happy birthday, Mamila. See you soon.
See you soon.
Goodbye. Signing off, Sonet and JC.
Fading holes, used like diamonds in the sun, and diamonds are forever. So many adventures couldn't happen today. So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams swinging out of the blue. Let them come true. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live?